Many people think that success comes from being smart or lucky, but that is not completely true. In fact, your mindset, the way you think, is more important than your intelligence. Your thoughts shape your actions, and your actions shape your future. If you believe you can improve, you will work harder and achieve more. If you believe you cannot change, you will stay stuck. This essay explains how mindset affects success and how you can build a successful way of thinking. Chapter 1. What is mindset? Mindset is the collection of beliefs and ideas you have about yourself and the world. It is like a pair of glasses through which you see everything. Some people have a positive mindset, and some have a negative one. Your mindset is not something you are born with. It is formed by your family, your teachers, your friends, and your experiences. The good news is that you can change your mindset. Once you understand how it works, you can start improving it. Chapter 2. Fixed mindset versus growth mindset. There are two main types of mindset: fixed and growth. A fixed mindset is when you believe that your intelligence, talent, and character are fixed. You are born with a certain amount, and you cannot change it. People with a fixed mindset avoid challenges because they are afraid to fail. They give up easily and feel threatened by the success of others. A growth mindset is when you believe that you can improve with effort and learning. People with a growth mindset love challenges. They see failure as a chance to learn. They are inspired by the success of others because they know they can also improve. For example, imagine two students who get a bad grade on a test. The student with a fixed mindset thinks, "I am stupid. I will never be good at this." The student with a growth mindset thinks, "I did not study enough. I will try a new method next time." The second student will improve. The first student will not. Chapter 3. The power of positive thinking. Positive thinking means looking at the bright side of things. It does not mean ignoring problems. It means believing that you can solve them. Your thoughts affect your actions. If you think you can succeed, you will try harder. If you think you will fail, you will not even try. You also need to pay attention to your inner voice. That is the voice in your head that comments on everything you do. If your inner voice says, "You are not good enough," you need to change it. Tell yourself, "I am learning, and I am getting better." Here are some simple exercises to build positive thinking. Every morning, say one good thing about yourself. When something goes wrong, ask, "What can I learn from this?" Write down 3 things you are grateful for every night. These small habits make a big difference over time. Chapter 4. Limiting. Limiting beliefs are negative thoughts that stop you from reaching your potential. They are like invisible chains. Common limiting beliefs include, "I am not smart enough. I do not deserve success. People like me do not become successful. If I try and fail, everyone will laugh at me." These beliefs are usually not true. You learn them from past experiences or from people around you. To discover your limiting beliefs, pay attention to moments when you feel fear or hesitation. Ask yourself, what am I afraid of? What am I telling myself? Once you find a limiting belief, you can replace it. For example, replace "I am not smart enough" with "I can learn anything if I work hard." This takes practice, but it works. Chapter 5. Building a success. Mindset successful people think differently. Here are some habits that help them. Setting clear goals. They know exactly what they want. Loving to learn. They read, ask questions, and try new things. Being disciplined. They do what needs to be done, even when they do not feel like it. Staying patient. They know success takes time. Motivation is helpful, but it does not last. Discipline is more important. Discipline means keeping your promises to yourself. If you decide to study for 1 hour, you do it, even if you are tired. Also, continuity is key. You do not need to make huge changes overnight. Small actions every day lead to big results over time. Read 10 pages a day. Practice for 20 minutes a day. Over a year, that adds up. Chapter 6. Dealing with failure. Failure is not the end. In fact, failure is one of the best teachers. Every successful person has failed many times. The difference is that they did not give up. Think about Thomas Edison. He tried thousands of times before he invented the light bulb. When someone asked him about his failures, he said, "I have not failed. I have found 10,000 ways that do not work." Think about J.K. Rowling. Before Harry Potter became famous, 12 publishers rejected her book. She did not stop. Now she is one of the most successful writers in history. When you fail, do these 3 things. Feel your feelings. It is okay to be sad or disappointed. Ask questions. What went wrong? What could I do differently? Try again. Use what you learned to improve. This way, you come back stronger than before. Chapter 7. The role of environment. Your environment has a huge effect on your mindset. The people you spend time with, the books you read, and the things you watch all shape how you think. If you surround yourself with negative people who complain and never try anything new, you will become like them. If you surround yourself with positive, hardworking, and supportive people, you will grow to build a good environment. Spend more time with people who encourage you. Find a mentor or join a group of learners. Reduce time with people who bring you down. Stop watching or reading news that makes you feel afraid or hopeless. Fill your social media feed with inspiring and educational content. Sometimes you may need to make difficult choices, but a good environment is one of the most powerful tools for success. Conclusion. Success does not come from luck or natural talent alone. It comes from your mindset. If you believe you can grow, you will. If you believe you are stuck, you will stay stuck. The good news is that you can change your mindset at any time. Start by replacing negative thoughts with positive ones. Face failure as a teacher. Choose your environment carefully. Practice discipline every day. It will not happen overnight, but with time and effort, you will build a mindset that leads to real success. Your future is not written yet. You can shape it with your thoughts and actions. Start